When someone notices more than you allow the person to do it, a man have to surrender for a woman to drive a truck out of the pit that they have fallen into. This is a kind of showing respect to those who know what they are doing perfectly okay. What an amazing act. Just watch how she will drive this thing out from that place that the truck has fallen in. What an expert move. What? It's so amazing. You know, it doesn't matter who is. The more important thing is who understand how to operate the machine. That is one thing I love about those who always surrender earlier. Are you seeing? The difficult thing have already become easy. What an amazing moment. What? This is a scarf setting. Lifting scarf. This is the biggest crane they use in building and construction. With this crane, it can make your work very easy and simple. What an amazing thing. Are you seeing what I'm saying? There are so many people who haven't witnessed this crane. Yes. And there are so many people who don't even know what it's used for. This is so amazing. This is a crane setting inside. What an amazing moment. What? That's what it is. So amazing. This caterpillar knows how to do their work very, very delicately and okay. There are one thing is to know how to do things, and another thing is putting passion toward those things to demonstrate the high level of love with what you are doing. You see how he is doing this
even the black can
smoothly,
see your beauty is so blinking.
Everything is
Blink like a
getting
code,
done
even the black can
perfectly
tell me that I feel what I feel. Can't you feel what I'm feeling? Even my friend that asked me where I get this chick,
when it comes to
I can tell you
this
it's the manna from above, digga. Everything about her is cool.
What?
My baby is so nice,
Yes,
girl.
he's using
I
it
can tell
to
that I love
demonstrate
her.
as if
Everything about her
he's
is
using
so
his bare
cool.
hand.
Look in her eyes and look in
There
her
are
face,
people who
everything I
are
see.
good.
O porquê que tem essa viga aqui embaixo, aqui no chão, dessa grossura, dá uns 30 centímetros, esses pilares aqui e essa viga aqui em cima de novo?
Aqui a gente fez dessa forma porque aqui vai ser um muro de arrimo. Ali embaixo tem uma viga de 30 e aqui em cima também, outra de 30.
Aqui, mas não dava pra ter feito assim, igual faz o normal, que o povo faz, uma canaleta aqui embaixo e aqui ponto de grout, aqui em cima outra canaleta?
Se fosse muro só pra divisa, sim. Mas como aqui vai ser cheio de terra, se fizer desse jeito é perigoso estourar tudo.